Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we are here. As I talked about it today, it had to happen today. We talked about an update that had happened late last week on Friday, I believe, for Edge. Well, now the official new version of Edge is out today, Monday, March 13th, 2023. So if you go to your Edge browser, go into the upper three horizontal dots, upper right corner, help and feedback, and about Microsoft Edge, you will be pushed to version 111.0.1661.41. And finally, we have this new version. What's big in this new version is the new visible Bing tag on the upper right corner. This is something that they are calling the Edge Copilot. So it's a powerful tool to boost the productivity and efficiency, apparently. So first of all, when you go here, it will actually show the toolbar, which is the Edge bar on the right side. It will also, if you are signed in and it is the officially signed in account for the new Bing Chat AI, this actually will give you the possibility to have the new chatbot. And there's a compose button if you want to, help compose professional or have new types of writings. So it tells you paragraph, email, blog post ideas. So you can choose, casual, and you can, just write about, new baby, and write all sorts of things, and God help get the tone of the character if you want to have casual and so on. And it gives you a format that you can have, and then you can generate a draft, which will actually give you a text that you can use without too much effort to, coworker, a friend, and so on. So here we go. I'm so happy to announce that we have a new addition to our family, blah, 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 and so on. And you can copy and paste. So it's like cheating, but if you aren't very good, if you're not very good at writing, actually, it could be very, very nice to have and very useful. Then you have, of course, the insights right here on the right side. So here you will, look at different aspects of what's popular or not, the trending searches and so on, and you just search for insights of different things. And of course, the famous chatbot that you can ask anything. So, are you Skynet, as I did, and it will actually answer back. So you can ask different things with the chatbot, and it will answer back, give you all sorts of replies, write a song, and so on. So it's all there, but if you haven't actually asked to be in the new chatbot AI, it will first pop up a little window that's going to say that, you got to be on the waiting list. So simply sign in with your account in the browser, make sure you signed in, and just click, be on the waiting list. And in a few days, you should be actually on the chatbot AI, and all of that will be turned on. And when you close this, also closes the right panel. All of that is in here. So that's really the new Copilot, as they call it, and also brings the sidebar at the same time. Just hovering over it will bring the sidebar and the chatbot AI. So all of that is the new. This is a big new feature that you have in Edge 111 now. So for the rest, it's security updates that we're going to talk about in the next video. So that is the new Edge 111 with the Copilot, the Bing Copilot if you want. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.